Window onload versus $. Document ready. What are the differences between JavaScript's window onload and jQuery's $? Document ready method? The ready event occurs after the HTML document has been loaded, while the onload event occurs later, when all content, for example images, also has been loaded. The onload event is a standard event in the DOM, while the ready event is specific to jQuery. The purpose of the ready event is that it should occur as early as possible after the document has loaded, so that code that adds functionality to the elements in the page doesn't have to wait for all content to load. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.